Now I'm going to grab a rectangle tool. I'm going to click and draw a rectangle. I want to turn off the stroke. It's just white, so let me give it a color. I'm going to go to the fill, double click, and I'm going to choose a color. Then I am going to duplicate this, so it's over here. So I press Alt on the keyboard. I drag. If I hold Shift, it keeps it in straight line. You can see that pink thing there. I'm going to change the color. Let's go to this color. Nope, let's go more drastic. Let's go more of a red. So I have these two colors. I would like to select them. If I go up to Object, Blend, I can choose Blend Options, and what this allows me to do is I can blend it as a smooth color or specific steps or specific distance. If I do smooth color, it's going to blend these two colors together. If I do that, nothing's happened because I just changed the settings. Again, I go up to Object, then I go down to Blend. This time I choose Make. And there you can see it blends from the blue to the red. I'm going to do this again, slightly different. So I'm going to draw a rectangle again this time. Let's choose a different color. Now with that selected, I'm going to press Alt or Option. I'm going to drag it over, hold Shift, and you can see the pink guides show me that it's lined up. I'm going to choose a different color here. Let's get it to be a little bit brighter orange. I'm going to select both of these, go up to Object, go down to Blend. I'm going to choose Blend Options. This time I'm going to choose Specified Steps, and this will put in how many steps in between are changing. So if I click OK, nothing's happened again. So I go up to Object, I go down to Blend, and I choose Make. And there you can see it's given me the different steps between blending of those two things. Now I can also do this with a shape. So if I draw a rectangle here, let me choose a different color. And I'm going to draw another shape over here, let's say an ellipse tool. And I'm going to change the color. Right there, looks good. I can do the same thing, but I'm going to use a tool over here. If I select these, I can come over here. I can use my blend tool. If I click on one and I click on the other, you can see that it is blending from one shape to the other, one color to the other. You can always, I'm going to undo, you can always go up to Object, Blend, Blend Options, and you can choose here how you want it to happen. And I'm going to do it one more time. And there you can see it blends from one shape to another, one color to another. Go ahead and create 3 blends like this, a smooth, a step, and a shape to another shape.